Just in time, they just started moving the telescope, which is really rare. You could look up through the ceiling here and see it.
Mt Palomar telescope actually moving. Very rare. Rare for the public to see, at least.
No, there is one eyewitness, but it's just for
They are. If you look closely, the black cover is opening. This is very unusual.
Oh, they're taking the cover off the mirror. Oh my God.
Oh, maybe because I usually see the weird cover is opening up.
Can you see the mirror?
Wow. Black aperture just opened up on the mirror. Right in the center of the frame.
Yeah.
I'm glad we came in. I'm not going to be able to see from here. Can't really see from here. Let's go around the far side. Yeah. You can see him shining a flashlight in there from here.
In there right now, blowing it off.
Yeah, we just watched him move the thing.
Oh, I had
The docent said they've never seen it move before.
Yeah.
This is really rare. We got this. So cool.
When we came in, that whole telescope was hanging vertical.
Oh, wow.
And they kicked it up, and then those big black V-shaped apertures, you can see there's kind of like white lithium grease on them. Those were all closed down on top of the lens. And that all opened up like a big flower.
How cool is that?
Oh, that was unreal.
Yeah, everything started closing up and lights came on and people were running around partying. The docents didn't even know they were going to do it.
Okay, still can't get that dang blue light out of there. You can see the mist coming out there. They think they're blowing helium in on the lens to clean it. So you can see the mist shooting out of there.
Pretty cool.
guy said it weighs something like 525 tons. And it's powered by a 2-horse motor.
Yeah.
He said it's so well balanced. Say 200 each people. Can't believe I'm still recording. We could have done some harsh recording today.
Used to be a guy still.
Come on down. Aperture's closing. Lens cover. There it's coming down. It's moving down. And it's done.
It's